Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule study sessions in Motion Planner. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to schedule study sessions in Motion Planner, all you gotta do is simply go to Motion Planner. Once you're in your Motion Planner, you need to get logged in into your account. Now, to schedule study sessions in it, you need to create tasks with specific durations and optionally set them to recur. The AI scheduler in Motion will then automatically place these tasks in available slots in your calendar. So, the simple thing is to create a new task, add in details in the task model like the title, duration, due date, priority, and chunk and recurring. After this is done, you can also add in some other details and save the task. Now, for effective planning, you need to access your availability, plan your breaks, set clear goals, and use the tutorials. So this is how you can schedule study sessions in Motion Planner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.